Welcome back
to a fantastic sardine Sunday here on the sunny KZN south coast, all the way up to Durban. There are sardines everywhere, but the main thing is this net went in at Warner Beach, couple nets went in at Warner Beach, and the oaks are cooking. So if you really want to get in on the action, this is your day. Sardine Sunday, head down the coast. Okay, I'm going to leave Warner Beach now. I'm going to show you something else in Port Edward. Check this out. Yeah, so there you have it. There are still sardines coming towards Durban. Right now, Port Edward and Glenmore. I wonder they might be at about Ramsgate by now, Margate next, up the afternoon, Scottburgh and places. But in the meantime, we're going to go even further down south, check things out. Yeah, can you Adam and Eve it? This is Mpami. It's off Gazana area that these sardines are still coming past. And check how all these little sardines are trying to hide from the dolphins underneath the boat, because that's the only place they can seek refuge. All right, that was a fantastic sardine report, and make no mistake, there's a lot more sards coming. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss one of these shows at Sumba. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.